Hello guys, so I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive on your phone, a quick overview. So first off, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store and look for Google Drive. The icon comes with a triangle shape. So you want to look for it and then download it on your phone. If you're using a computer, then you would need to maybe use the browser, your Chrome browser, and download it, or just use the web whenever you want to use it at drive.google.com. Okay, so after downloading it on your phone, you open it, sign in with your Google account, and then this is the overview. You can see recent, offline, spam, bin, that's a trash, setting, help and feedback, and storage. So you get 15 gig of storage for every Google account. If you want more storage, then you would need to buy storage. Okay, so moving on, we have home at the bottom of the screen, home page, start for important documents. You have so you see the overview of, or the array of your documents, start, and then you also have the shared with me folder, which is the third one on the list at the bottom. So this is where you see all the files that were shared with you. So if someone sends you a document, a file, a picture, an audio to your Google Drive, you can find it in your shared with me folder. Yes, so when you click on that button down, you see it. Next, we have files. So this is all of your files, including folders. So folders, you can have things inside them. You can have files inside your folder. Now, if you want to, let's say, create a file or upload a file to your drive from your phone, let's say a picture, an image of recording, an audio. So you click on upload file, which is the first thing on the list. When you click on the plus sign button at the bottom, you click on upload files, then you click on, after clicking on upload file, you can now go on to find things in your phone that you want to add to your drive. So you go on, click on upload files, and then it shows you photos and videos or browse. Now, if it's a photo or video on your phone, you click on photos and video and it will take you to your phone storage, so you can see all of the things in your phone. So let me go with the first option, recent. I can click on it and then choose a picture that I want to save and click on upload. Now it's uploading to my drive and it has just saved. So quickly it has saved to my drive from my phone. So it's still available on my phone and now it's on the drive. If I want to create a folder, I click on the plus sign again at the bottom and then click on create folder. Yes, then I put the name of the folder that I want. So let's say I want to name this folder VA Challenge. So I type in VA Challenge and then I click on create, and then it will create the folder for me. Okay, now after creating, you can see it in my folder in my Google Drive, VA Challenge. Okay, so let's say I want to add up the first image that I saved from my phone. I want to add it to my VA Challenge. Yes, so I would let's say, okay, let me go from this angle. I would click on home, look for the file that I want to put into that folder. I will click on the three button by the right on that file, and then I will look for move. Now, if I don't see move, then what I will do is I'll click on, let's say, show file location. Yes, so either I see move or show file location. So when I click on show file location, it will take me to the home page where I can now move my file. So when I click on show file location, for some people you just see the move button or organize at once. So I click on show file location, it shows me the location, and then I can click on the three dots again and it shows me move. Now I click on move, and then I have to select where I want to move it to. So I want to still move it within my drive, right? Just in a folder. So I can click on my drive and then it shows me options. So I look for the folder I want to move it to, which is the VA Challenge folder. And then I click on it. When I click on it, it will, of course, I just created that folder, so it's still empty. So I've clicked on it, and then I click on move here that shows at the bottom, and it just moves it immediately. It moves the file to that folder. So to confirm what I have done, I will look for my folder, open it, and then I can find the file inside of it. So it's that easy. Google Drive is really easy to work with. On the computer is not much of a difference, just the interface that is, a bit different. But this is just an overview of how to use Google Drive. So you can, in this short session, we've looked at the overview of Google Drive. So the things you can find on it, you can create a file, you can create a folder, or rather you can upload a file, and you can also create a file straight up from your Google Drive. So when you click on the plus sign, you see maybe you want to create a Google Doc, you see that already, and you just click on it, take you straight to create a doc. So to share, maybe I want to share it to someone, I can click on the three dots again, click on share, and then it will give me options to put the email of the person I want to share this document with. So let's say I want to share this document to someone. I click on the email. It gives me different access that I can grant the person. So I can make the person an editor, I can make the person a viewer, or I can make the person a commenter. So I can give different access to whoever it is I want to give. So viewer, they just view. Editor, they can edit and even delete the file, and commenter, they just leave a comment. So I can also just manage access or skip sending notifications. So if I don't want them to receive a notification, I click on skip sending notification. Now to adjust the access, I can now go and click on the three dots on the side of the, and then it will show me, I can click the arrow sign again to take me to edit it. So right now only people I add can view, but I can click on this and edit it, and then it will show me anyone with the link can view. So I just update it to anyone with the link can view, and then I can still update the access to viewer, commenter, editor, and it just goes that way. Then I can I can copy the link icon up, just click on it, copy it, and I can share that link with anybody at all. Or I can there are two ways to share, either using the email, imputing the email, or just clicking the link, copying, and then sending to the person that I want to share to. Okay, so this is Google Drive. Bottom, you can see the home, start, shared, where you find files that have been shared with you. You can also see the file, where you can see all the files on your drive. Okay, so yes, that is basically what Google Drive is all about. It's just a place to share and store files, securely on the cloud. So anything you save here can also be found on your PC. And that's how to use Google Drive on your phone. This is Coach Victoria. Take care. Bye-bye.